Okay, so we want to unwrap, let's say that piece of mesh that's an arm or whatever. All right. So what we do is we're gonna do I'll do a next front planner. That hasn't changed in my 18. Same thing, UV planner as usual. Select the X channel and apply. That's done, nothing new. Now what's new now is the way you deal with the UVs a little bit. Editor. The UV editor has now, as you can see, let me move that on the side so we can see it, has now also a UV toolkit window right here. That lets you do cutting and different type of things. Selecting. It is also still here, but they've added it right here if you want to use it this way. So you're welcome to do whatever you want. Let's go through a little bit of it. So that's the vertex selection, edges, faces as usual, and your UVs. This is the shell selection. All right, and of course the UVs. You can do PK, marquee, or drag. Of course, you have symmetrical selection that you want to turn on. I never use that. I like to do it. My mesh are never really symmetrical, or they would be too fake. So that's why I don't like using that too much. And soft selection is right here, just like with the moving tool for a soft selection array of what you can select. Select by type, obviously, front, back, face, couple things like that. Classic. That's in all the other lectures. You have the transform tool, so you can move stuff, rotate, change the pivot points, and you have what's very important to us, the cut and so on. Right? So if we are in edges, right here, we can take the cut tool, all right, and double click on one, and it will cut it. We cut it all the way, but sometimes you see it goes all around, and that's not what we want, frankly. We want to cut just half of it. So what we can do is that we can select an edge, right here, all right, and we can cut it. Bing, that's it. So after we cut that edge, we can go back to the UV level, select the UVs, and now you can go down to another menu right here that says unfold. And your mesh has been unfolded. That's it. That's pretty much it. You can unfold along a certain axis. You can optimize it. You can look at it. You can straighten your UVs if they're not straight, which would be, for example, would I straighten, all those UVs right there together, and you can straighten UVs, in the U's or in the V's, basically. See, right here, you see, in different axes. So, let me undo that. Go right here. So the couple thing you can do, you guys, and you have align and snapping as usual that are right here. Okay, so you can align in the middle, you can align, which can be pretty useful. You want to align them together right here in the middle, for example. Boom, they get aligned. All right. So, and you have different type of snapping pivot point possibility. So that's pretty cool. And you can also distribute it too. If you have multiple one, you can just simply select everything, distribute it. I don't have any different pieces, so it doesn't do anything. But that's pretty much it. You put a little number right there, and it'll distribute the pieces all around properly for you. Okay, that's pretty much it. The main difference with the other Mayas is that toolkit now let you do what you do in the regular tools right here, let you do that right here all visually. That's pretty much it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm going to make another video about how to use Photoshop with Maya after you unwrapped it.